This is the NEET 2018 question basing on electric capacitors. The problem is like this. The electrostatic force between the metal plates of an isolated parallel plate capacitor C having a charge Q and area A depends how on distance between the plates. That's the question, right? So let us try to quickly derive a formula for that so that you will be able to say that answer. You know, energy stored in a capacitor can be written like Q square by 2C. In the other sense, to store the energy that much between the plates of a capacitor, we must have done that much of the work. So that energy stored can be equated to work. We can further write work done as force into displacement, where d is the distance between the plates. So this is a capacitor. Distance between the plates is d. Area of each plate is A. It's filled with air and it has a capacity C. So work done is force into distance is the d is the distance between the plates equal to Q square by 2C. That implies force between the two plates is Q square by 2C into d, where C is the capacity of the capacitor. We know the capacity of a capacitor is epsilon naught A by d. So we can substitute that C value here in the equation. That implies F is Q square by 2d. In the place of C, epsilon naught A by d. So this d and this d will cancel. So the force between the plates of a capacitor is Q square by 2 epsilon naught A. So this force is directly proportional to square of the charge, inversely proportional to area of the cross section of the plates, but there is no term d, it has got cancelled. So what we can say is force between plates of the capacitor is independent of distance between the plates. Independent of distance between the plates. So independent of distance between the plates is the right answer. Proportional to the square root of the distance, linearly proportional to the distance between the plates, inversely proportional to the distance between the plates. All these are wrong answers. So while we are deriving this relation, one more important thing that we have derived is we have also derived an equation for the force between the two plates of a parallel plate capacitor. Maybe this derivation also helps you in some other questions. Therefore, I want you to know this derivation so that this is the relation. This is the derivation that I have made for the force, and learn this and use this whenever it is required. Thank you for watching.